All right, it's all about the weather. We have a nor'easter bearing down on us. Not here yet, but it's coming. Here's meteorologist Mike Masco.
When was the last time you said nor'easter out of your mouth?
It's been a while.
It's been a while, yeah. We're going back maybe 2 years since a formidable nor'easter came up the coastline, and that's what we are anticipating late tonight into tomorrow and into Monday, long duration event. Looking at the numbers, just looking at them real quick, not bad. In fact, we're looking at some 40s and 50s to the north, almost 60 degrees in town. Starting to get a taste of the winds, northeast winds right now at 3 to 10. Well, you ain't seen nothing yet until we get into tonight. That's when we're really going to be talking gusty winds, and especially tomorrow morning. Couple lone showers down the Garden State Parkway this morning. It's dry in Long Island into the northwest New Jersey area. Hudson Valley looks good. That doesn't look good. You get down towards the Carolina coastline, there's the low, now starting to turn about. At the same time, we're watching upper level energy coming out of the Great Lakes. And the story is, if this didn't exist, this wouldn't be such a big deal. But we have jet stream energy that's going to infuse itself. That's just kind of like the gasoline that's going to fuel the engine. And then that's going to head up the coast as we head into the next 72 hours. At the same time, high pressure over Halifax, Canada, that's going to enhance the winds and create what's called a pressure gradient. So when we look at the synoptic maps, there's the low still off well down to the south, say over the North Carolina coastline at 3 o'clock. By, say, tonight into tomorrow, it slowly crawls up the coast, and not until, say, Monday afternoon, it'll start to occlude and begin to move offshore. But for the time being, we're still talking heavy rain and gusty winds. High to the north, low to the south. The in-between is going to be wind gusts upwards of around 30 to at times 60-mile-an-hour wind gust. Closer look at our Futurecast showing spotty showers through much of tonight into tomorrow morning. And then here comes this slug of moisture from Brookhaven all the way back through Toms River. It's heading on a northwest kick as we go into Sunday at 6 o'clock. There's a sharp cutoff to the north of this, so not much rain being seen or felt from Warren County, Sussex up to the Hudson Valley. But it's going to be raining from the city on south and east at a moderate clip, and then a heavy clip going into Monday morning. And then it's rain through the course of Monday morning into Monday afternoon. It will lighten in intensity, but still could be talking about some nasty bands of rain pivoting into Monmouth and Ocean counties. In terms of rainfall, I don't want to show you one particular model because I just don't trust it. So we're thinking here, our forecast senses are thinking 2 to 3 inches from the city on south and east. Higher amounts are going to be found across the south-facing shoreline and down along coastal Monmouth and Ocean counties. That's fresh water. In terms of salt water, that's a whole different ballgame as the winds are going to be bringing in the Atlantic westbound. So with these wind gusts upwards of 50 miles per hour, we are going to be talking about extensive coastal flooding. Also, forecasted wave heights are going to be over 10 feet in some cases, so that's beach erosion of concern along our shorelines. Here's your Sunday high tide cycles if you're around, say, Belmar Inlet, Coney Island, the Rockaways. Keep an eye on Jamaica Bay as you get around Long Beach area. Overnight Sunday into early Monday morning, that's when everything needs to be at higher ground as we are expecting a high tidal rise. Monday, similar deal in the afternoon hours. That's your high tidal cycles. 67 in town, spotty showers becoming a little more numerous south and east of the city for tonight. 7-day board shows us this coastal storm is out of here by Tuesday. So we got a lot of time here to get through this wet weather tunnel. By Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we dry out, but temperatures upper 50s and low 60s. We'll talk more about this storm coming up. John, we'll send it to you.